My name is Akomolot Faith. I come from Oronyi Village, Kware Parish, Kameke Sub-County, Pallisa District. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was a teacher. I was teaching in Fountain Public School. Later, whereby they didn't pay me well, I went to Masanda Islamic. Even there, things were not well. So I went to Mitiana. There is a school called Godie's Plan, Nasaran Primary School. Things not went well, so I went just back home and I sat down. When I went back home, I started the farming, whereby in our village, they gave us irrigation. This irrigation whereby they give you a solar and some, so the government gave us. And one good thing too was at our home, whereby they are teaching some ladies how to plant greens, cabbage, onions, reduce red pepper, green pepper. So I also entered and I started planting my greens, whereby every day I go to the market, I get some money. When I uproot this one, as I'm planting another one, I uproot as I'm planting. That is the way I was earning the money in the village. I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm through my parish chief. The procedure was it came, they said that they wanted some 6 girls in every parish. So I was also among the person who had a smartphone, and my parish chief saw that I was at home, I was free, so he told me, you go and you learn more. The reason why I choose to join in Gudie Leisure Farm as me, because I want to learn more about, like now I'm doing in poultry industry. I used to rear my 2 hens, but they used to die because I never knew how to treat them. But as I've joined here, I've known how to treat, how to make them to be healthy, so that I get more money. I'm in poultry industry. I've learned how to make a brooder, how to keep one-day chick. I've known their feeds. I've known how to vaccinate. I've known how to make them to be healthy, like now pouring that water, not allowing them to take that water, not to wash their feeders. You wash the drinkers every day. You don't give them that thing to control diseases. Even I've learned how to make these bangles and necklace. There's this flower that you put in your shirt, and making these pads, washable pads. In business, I've known how to register your business, how to budget or how to balance when you're starting a business, how to use a record book in business, and how to open the saving groups. My commitment is to go and train 100 ladies that I've left behind with all my energy, because at least I want them also to change like the way I've changed from Gudie Leisure Farm. I'm going to go and open my poultry farm, and I make sure that it is going to be the biggest one in Pallisa District, where I also get tourist attractions. I appreciate Gudie Leisure Farm for the work it has really done, because for us in the village, we used just to stay in the village. We never knew the chicks were dying. We thought that some of us were even given up with the rearing, because we never knew how to keep the chicks healthy. But now what I've known, for sure, I thank, may God bless them, because I know by 2030 I will be a different person.